This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz C300. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, commercial-free satellite radio, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a rear window defroster, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.